Reba here. Welcome back to Gooseberry Homestead. Well, I had business to attend yesterday and I did some errands, and while I was out I swung by a local nursery, and right now a lot of the nurseries have are having some sales like 20 to 30 to 40% off plants and that sort of thing. But something else really cool happened. I swung by this one nursery and they had these neglected plants out by a certain area of their business, and I went in and I asked, and they let me know that those particular plants were free. So I grabbed them all up except for one that was in a massive pot. If I had a pickup truck, I would have gotten that one. And the tallest one here barely fit in my van, but I managed to get it in there. So I'll show you what I got. So the wind blew this one over, and I'm gonna pick it up. All right, here we go. All right, now this one is the Monrovia brand, and these bees love it. There's a little bee right here. They keep landing on it. They love it. This is a trumpet creeper, so it's supposed to have really pretty blossoms. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just save all these. I mean, there's a lot of limbs that have lost their leaves, but that can be trimmed out. But for the most part, the majority of it looks really good. So I'm just gonna take pruners to it today and just clean this plant up. But I mean, it was just gonna get thrown away, so I saved it. And I kind of am doing this saving plants deal, and then whatever I decide I don't want, then I just sell. Now this is a plant, since I got it for free, I could plant it here at my rental, and it would be something that would be a nice addition because I got it for free. So I mean, it's a creeper, so chances are the root structure is not going to be like super invasive, so it might do good like over here, like along the fence line, if I decided to plant it. We'll just have to wait and see. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it, I don't know. Then they had 3 Cornus Mass, which is like a Cornelian cherry tree, and this one, the drupes are more of an like just an oblong shape, which the one I actually purchased, and the one I purchased I think was 40% off. So this is the one that I purchased, and I got it because it was laying on the ground and the berries looked horrible, and the plant just screamed at me, save me, save me. This was probably going to end up on the curb soon. But anyways, I got this one, and I got one of those brambles that grow on the ground, like you can walk on them. It's like a cloudberry kind of thing. They have little orange berries, so or yellow berries. So that was kind of interesting. So I got that too. But the majority of these are all free. I did get this one. It's the polar. Let me see if it's got a tag. It is polar berry, so it's a white blackberry. So I have the other ones that I got from Baker Creek, and those ones are called Snowbank. So this is the other white blackberry. So now I have both, and make room for that one pot down there that I had that raspberry growing in. I think I'll just plant it into the yard here, and maybe I could put it over here in this corner and just leave that one, because I really didn't pick the fruit off of it, so I don't really foresee myself picking it in the future. So I'll just maybe do that, switch out that pot. And so I'm just looking at the Cornus Mass. These ones, see the drupe on this one is like more oblong. It's kind of the same as the one that I purchased, The drupes are a little bit more oblong. And so are these ones back here. So there was about, it looks like 3 plants. There was this one here, and then this bigger, taller one that barely fit in my van. And they are generally a pretty slow growing tree. So this one being as tall as it is really, really awesome. Now there is a couple items that this one here, I don't know what's going on with it. This is an Acer. It's a sycamore maple, and it's called Patchwork. And basically it has these variegated molted leaves, and then the underside is a purpley red color. Really pretty. I was doing a little bit of reading, and they were saying that they haven't really been seeing these since like the 90s or something, but apparently there's been some damage, and it looks like this top section here has been like cut away a little bit. It's lost some limbs and that sort of thing, so we'll see what kind of growth it'll do in the future. I don't know what's on these leaves, but there is die-off right here. It could be from lack of watering, but there's this weird stuff on the leaves, and it's actually growing into the leaves. And so I'm actually gonna put this in another section of the yard until I look up what this is. But it just looks like little seeds all over it, like little warts all over the leaves, but the newer leaves don't have it on it, so it looks like some sort of growth. So I'm gonna look that up and wash my hands before I really go doing anything in the garden a whole lot. But I thought that was really an interesting little tree, and it looked sad, and it was free. And then there's these 2 plants here, and I have no clue what on earth they are. This one actually has, I'm going to touch the plant. Okay, so this one has some really, really pretty little flowers. I don't know what it is. Let me see if it has a scent. Oh, that does have a really nice kind of a peppery floral scent. So I don't know what it is, but it's got a nice scent. And but as you can see down at the base, there's a lot of limbs that had been broken. So I'm going to clean this one up too. I'm going to clean them all up and make them look the best they can as their little Charlie Brown little plant life that they are. This one, I'm not sure what it is either. I'll have to look at the label down here. It looks like they have a label. This one was a $13 plant. Cornus. I'm not even gonna try it. Midwinter Fire. I don't know what on earth that is. I'm gonna be looking all of these up, you guys. And so it was really cool. I've got some ferns growing in some of them. Some of them had other plants growing in them. One of the Cornus masses I was looking at actually had a strawberry plant in it. And so there's some, I've seen some of them has some of that willow herb that I spotted in one of my other containers. So clearly the willow herb is something that is spread by birds. So it was kind of interesting, you guys. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys some of these free plants that I got. Oh, here's another one. They're all around me. So here's another one. And I will have to look at the label down here. I don't know what it is. Cornus K. Autumn Rose. I don't know. So a lot of it's died off. So I'm going to be cleaning them all up. And then I got a chocolate cosmos, and it actually kind of smells like chocolate. Picked up some parsley at Walmart because I need some parsley for stuff. I actually thought it was cilantro when I bought it. And then I was like, oh, I already have it. And then some variegated basil and some, not wasabi, but it's the horseradish. So I'm excited to plant that in with my artichokes, because that's a really big pot and it's good for the roots. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Click the bell button. As always, have a wonderful day and God bless. Bye.